Hello and welcome to Baby Rhyme Time. I'm Miss Jenny and this is Ted and we're here to sing some fun rhymes with you this morning. Before we get started, how about we do our acknowledgement to country? Here is the land and here is the sky. Here are my friends and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country in which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, run gubby gubby, you Danby people grounds. Good work, everybody. How about we start with a big hello wave? Hello, hello. Let's sing our hello song. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Hi, I hope you're all very well today. I'm very excited to be here for Rhyme Time. So I've picked some of my favourite rhymes to do with you today. And Ted's going to help me, aren't you, Ted? How about we start with Row, Row Your Boat? This is a fun one to do with your mummy and daddies or siblings. I'm going to turn Ted around and we're going to do it together. You ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Should we try that one again? One more time, ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Good work, everybody. Whilst we're swimming and talking about the sea, how about fish? This is a fun one we can do with counting on our hands. So I might pop you down for a moment, Ted. How about you sit there? And I can use two hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Oh, poor little finger. Should we try that one again? One more time, ready? Get your hands ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Oh, poor little finger. That's a fun one, isn't it? Practicing our counting. How about we do a sailor went to sea? This one can get a bit tricky if I get Ted to help. So we're going to have a sailor goes to sea. And we go see, see, see. He's going to go to knee. We point to our knee. Knee, knee, knee. He's going to go to toe. Toe, toe, toe. And then we're going to put it all together. You ready? A sailor went to sea, 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 to see what he could see, see, see. But all that he could see, 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 was the bottom of the deep blue sea, sea, sea. Ready? This time knee. A sailor went to knee, 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 to see what he could knee, knee, knee. But all that he could knee, 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 was the bottom of the deep blue knee, knee, knee. Ready? Toes this time. A sailor went to toe, 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 to see what he could toe, toe, toe. But all that he could toe, 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 was the bottom of the great blue toe, toe, toe. Whoa. Ready? Now we're going to go see, knee, toe. A sailor went to see knee toe, to see what he could see knee toe. but all that he could see, neato, was the bottom of the deep blue sea, neato. Whoa, that one's a good one. The more you do it, the faster and faster you can get. Okay, how about we do one more? How about we do our rabbit rhyme? Do you like that? Be Peter Rabbit? Okay, let's go. Ready? So I can put my little bunny ears on Teddy here. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. So he flipped it and he flopped it and it flew away. Now we'll have a prickle in our paw. Little Peter Rabbit had a prickle in his paw. Little Peter Rabbit had a prickle in his paw. Little Peter Rabbit had a prickle in his paw. So he pulled it and he pulled it and it came right out. Let's do a Peter Rabbit again, ready? Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. So he flipped it and he flopped it and it flew away. Good work, everybody. I think that's all the time we've got today for rhymes. But how about we do a very big goodbye wave? Bye, bye. We can sing our goodbye song. You ready? Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Oh, thank you so much for joining me today at Rhyme Time. Can't wait until I can see you all again. In the meantime, remember you're never too young to read books to your children. You don't have to make it all the way through a book for them to get the benefit of reading. Just read as many pages as you can and talk to your child about it as you read the book. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.